Hi, today I'm reviewing the I'm From Licorice Calming Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased these products with my own money. I'll never waste time with sponsor ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video. Check out the links below or check out my Patreon community. So I've got cute little videos of axolotls. They're these little animals in Mexico. They're going extinct. Cameraman's going to play a little bit of videos of them because I want to get one. And then he'll switch them. I don't know how much you can and can't play. So anyway, I'll link to the videos. But they're super friggin' cute. I gotta get one. I don't know if I could try and eat it though. But they're cute and they're endangered, so check them out. Okay, I don't know, but growing up I remember you could like adopt a manatee, and I just love manatees, so I adopted tons of them. And you know, I think they live a long time, so I hope, well, they were endangered too at some point. But I actually have seen a manatee in real life. I've never seen an axolotl or whatever, but they stay young forever. I think it's so cute and perfect for skincare anti-aging discussions because they stay young forever. Okay, so they say packed with 58% licorice exosome. This skin calming face cream tamps down inflammation and strengthens the skin barrier. The cream also works to reduce acne scars and hyperpigmentation for radiant and even-toned skin. This product is suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin. And we love I'm From. They've been coming with a lot of products lately. They've been on a roll. And anyway, so I'm finally getting to actually play with some of them finally and actually review them. So, okay, in terms of packaging, we've got a squeeze tube. No issues with that. A little squeeze tube. I think it's got the expiration date on it, which is in 3 years. So we're good. 3 years. 3 years goes by pretty darn fast though. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, there's none of that. There's also no fragrance and no noticeable scent whatsoever, so that's always really nice for sensitive skin types, especially if you're buying something for calming and soothing your skin. The less extra irritants you can have, the better off. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues at all with that. So ease of use, so they recommend using this morning and or evening after cleansing and toning and serums. And it's got a really nice gel texture to it. And I will say, so I really have issues finding a good daytime moisturizer that works well over my vitamin C serums. So many of them end up foaming up over the vitamin C, or they end up almost like degrading when you apply it. Even if you wait a few minutes, it's tricky. I used to use a Drunk Elephant Protini for, I don't know, for a couple of years there. I used that a lot. I don't know, something in it changed, and anytime I would apply it over vitamin C or even exfoliant, it would foam up and it would take minutes for it to defoam. So that instantly became a no-go for the daytime routine. So since then, I've been bouncing around between other moisturizers, trying to find one that's really great for the daytime routine. And this is a really nice option. A little bit of it goes a long way. It's got a really nice texture. It works well over vitamin C serums. And it works well underneath sunscreen. No pilling. I don't think this contains sodium hyaluronate. So there's no issues with it. And it's not terribly thick. So when you end up applying like makeup or anything over it, it doesn't feel like some moisturizers can feel too thick, like especially when you add sunscreen onto it, and that almost feels like you're wearing like a mask. I don't have that at all with this one. So this is a really nice option for a daytime routine. I personally prefer this in the daytime routine. I don't use it in my evening routine. I've got more hydrating products to use in my daytime routine, but this one just, or my evening routine, excuse me. And this one just became perfect for my morning routine. Love it. Wonderful. Sets in really nicely. It doesn't feel greasy. It's a little tacky, but not terribly so. And I'm going to apply a sunscreen over it anyway. So very nice. Wonderful. Easy to use. Very elegant texture. And just works nice. So sometimes there's always that one thing in your routine that it's like you can never get right. A lot of people it's sunscreen. For some people it's vitamin C. For some people it's retinoids. And for me, it's always been a good daytime moisturizer. And this one's wonderful. Okay, so let me talk about the ingredients in here. So the main star of the show is obviously licorice. They've got a couple different types of licorice extract that they use in here, and they're both great for calming skin. So the first one is licorice Uralensis root extract, which is skin conditioning extract. We've got Chlorella algae extract, which is actually skin protecting, which makes it great for use during the daytime when it protects your skin from pollution and things like that. We've got licorice root extract itself, skin brightening, soothing, antioxidant. We've got Cynanchum Atratum extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Althaea Rosea extract, antioxidant. Panthenol, wound healing. Glucose and fructose, humectants. We've got the salt form of licorice, which is soothing and also can help with oil production in skin and kind of help it calm down. We've got fructooligosaccharides, which is a humectant. We've got ceramide NP, skin identical ingredient, barrier repairing. Vitamin E, antioxidant. And then last but not least, we've got Kanzu furobonoid, which is a licorice flavonoid with antioxidant benefits. So it comes from the licorice and it's a flavonoid and has some really good antioxidant benefits for your skin. So very nice ingredient list, short and sweet, and no sodium hyaluronic, no niacinamide, none of that stuff, which is people are sick of seeing. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues at all with that. In terms of performance, so it just feels really nice on your skin. It's very enjoyable to use. Always looking for a nice lightweight moisturizer that's not greasy and doesn't feel heavy. I think for oily skin, this would probably be a really easy go-to, especially when you've got that licorice salt form that can help with oil production. And there's not a ton of other overly greasy humectants or thick oils or anything like that in here. So anyway, so this one's very nice, very calming. I think it's going to be friendly for most skin types, including oily, dry, sensitive, and acne-prone. So for acne-prone skin, there's only 2 ingredients of note: sorbate and isosterate and vitamin E. So no issues at all with that. In terms of the price, so this is the full size, 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, and retails for about $20. When it first came out, it was $28, but now I see it everywhere for $20, so even better. And a little bit of it goes a long way, so that makes it an even better bargain. Okay, last but not least, the it factor. So in terms of what this promises, it promises to calm skin and help brighten skin, and in my opinion, this delivers on both. It'll help with newer, less stubborn hyperpigmentation issues, but it's not going to help a ton with old hyperpigmentation or stubborn hyperpigmentation or stubborn melasma. It'll certainly help, but licorice on its own can't do all that. It's going to help, but it's not going to solve it all. But for newer types of dark spots or things like that, it'll certainly help or maybe be able to treat those better. It's nice, simple, calming. Really enjoy this. Yeah, so I think it helps with my redness as well during the daytime. It's really nice to layer with other products. I couldn't really find any very similar products to this one. I'm not sure why. There's a lot of licorice in products, but nothing simple like this one. A lot of products contain licorice and tons of other, either tons of brightening ingredients or tons of other antioxidants and things like that. So this one's simple yet effective, and I really enjoy this during my daytime routine. And switching this one from the Proteini in the long run will save me some cash too. So nothing wrong with that. I think they also have a serum version of this. I'm gonna have to check that one out. I'm trying to remember if I picked that one up or not, but anyway, I'll do some digging on that. But overall, in my opinion, worth checking out, especially if you're looking for a lightweight gel texture daytime cream. Okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I this one a 10. It's got everything going for it. I can't find any faults with it. I look for faults in products, and with this one, I just didn't really see any. So I guess if you're really stubborn hyperpigmentation, brightening products like Level Serum from Regimen Labs are going to be your best friend. But this one's still really nice product. So anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.
Is that it?
Yeah.